shielded all. It's all shielded wire now. I've got the ground going to a ground point. That signal looks a lot better. There's no pulse. Doesn't really want to trigger correctly though. Finicky. I mean, very finicky. No, it's right there. It seems to trigger right there. Still got a service engine light though. So I'll see what happens. Yeah, that's a beautiful signal. Just wish I could get it better on camera. You can see how thin that baseline, this focus line is, and I'm probably not even focused all the way. I could probably focus. Oh no, yeah, it's focused really well. Okay. Get a picture of the settings. And just so everybody can see, frequency changes. There you go, you get a better picture down here.